Moving on to USD Swiss on the daily time frame, we can see we've had that break of structure in towards the downside. This is the current swing high, which I'll try and draw better because this high has not closed above this high and therefore it's not a valid break of structure. And this is my swing low. Now we are trading after an internal break of structure and we swept some major liquidity, and that could mean that we are going to see the pullback start. Now we did see a bit of a pullback starting yesterday, did make a connection with its demand zone and has since seen a nice bullish reaction. From this, I am maybe anticipating one more run of the high and then look for that downside, because this then becomes liquidity, or this point would become liquidity where you can look for that higher probability long. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is that we are still bullish. We've had the most recent 4-hour break here. This is our swing range. Even on the internal, this internal trend that's been pushing price in towards the upside, we can see is still bullish. Our most recent internal break is here. This is the current swing range of the internal. We liquidated this low over here, and then a switch bullish would confirm to me that we're going to head up higher, but it is at the draw on liquidity already at the swing high, and therefore it's not a position I'll be looking for. I'd rather, like we spoke about in the daily, see another run of this high and then come back down where we could see maybe this liquidation or this liquidation, so then look for that next upside move. Moving on to USD Yen, still the same as what we've been talking about for many weeks now. We're still dangerously close to intervention levels. We're trading after this 4-hour break of structure, and at some point I do expect that intervention, so just keep on your toes with this one. Moving on to USDCAD, we can see on the daily time frame that we've had that break of structure in towards the upside. Since then, we have started to just consolidate and reaccumulate, which is not out of the ordinary. We have seen a massive overextended leg in towards the upside. The CAD remains relatively weak and the dollar remains relatively strong, which is keeping pressure on this pair. I do want to see some liquidation events. If we go down onto the 4-hour time frame, any points of liquidity I would like to see get taken, just so we've got a little bit more conviction that price is going to head higher, because at the moment the most recent internal 4-hour break is here. This is the low, this is the high. We're way overextended. I'd want to see at least this level get taken, but ultimately I want to see a deeper retracement down towards some more significant points of liquidity where you could then look for that higher probability long.